NBC29 forecast.
Well, Jim Carpenter didn't need a deer stand to close in on this camera shot of a four-pointer in his neighborhood. And again, that was a nice shot taken this afternoon. Of course, we had a day with a lot of clouds rolling in. We had some sunshine to start the day. Most of us broke out into the low 50s, 47 at the airport, touching 52 for a high today. Air mass is still relatively dry. Those numbers will come up and we'll see some rain showers. 44 is the current number at Valley Airport in Weeders Cave, touching 50 for an afternoon high. Some other numbers include 43 there in Palmyra, 44 there in Louisa, 43 in Madison, 44 in Waynesboro, and 42 currently in Harrisonburg. Now, over the last several hours this afternoon and evening, we've had some returns on the radar, but virtually all of that is what we call virga, precipitation aloft not reaching the ground because the atmosphere is still dry, but that is moistening up, and we will see some showers here tonight. Now, higher elevations of the Blue Ridge Mountains are under a winter weather advisory. Much of Skyline Drive here, Swift Run Gap up to Front Royal, those western facing slopes most prone to maybe 1 to 2 inches of wet snow toward morning. Currently that advisory from 8 o'clock until 8 a.m. Wednesday morning. Elsewhere, we could certainly see some wet snowflakes mixed in with the rain, but it's really on the western facing slopes of the Appalachians out to the west, those Allegheny Mountains, that'll see more in the way of snow from this particular system. It's a quick moving clipper system. It doesn't have a whole lot of moisture. Most of that is wrung out across the higher terrain. There's a live view from Snowshoe Resort, and you can see some of the snow that is coming down currently. Now, temperatures here for the overnight, most of us above freezing, mid to upper 30s across central Virginia, but there will be some lower 30s and colder in the mountains. Now, as we take a look at our highs tomorrow, it's a chilly day. Plus, we have a biting wind out of the north and northwest, so that'll make it feel like it's in the 20s and 30s throughout the day on Wednesday. There's just a snapshot of some of the wind gusts as we progress into the day here on Wednesday, and then widespread 20s early Thursday morning. Thursday's still a cool day, temperatures upper 40s and low 50s, then much milder to close out the week on Friday with high around 60. So this is the latest system, more in the way of more rainfall and snow out to the west. This will come through overnight, and that'll be our quick hit of some rain showers, snow showers for some, but a lot of that moisture will get wrung out to our west. Once that system departs, it will usher in some chillier air, not drastically cold, 38 in Chicago, but again, that's our chilly, brief return of some winter-like conditions before these numbers begin to come back up as this trough begins to lift out. And so temperatures by Friday already around 60. Saturday looks good. How about lower 60s? But the next storm system developing will tap a good amount of Gulf of Mexico moisture, Atlantic moisture, and that will drive up temperatures. It'll be gusty winds and some rain in here on Sunday. So here we are this evening and tonight. Some rain showers breaking out, the higher elevation seeing some snow showers. There could be some mix in the valley, and then that pulls out early tomorrow morning. Clouds clear, giving way to some sunshine, temperatures in the 40s, but feeling like it's in the 20s and 30s. Then we'll start Thursday morning in the 20s and afternoon highs on Thursday, either side of 50, before we warm up, and that next system brings widespread rain. Tonight we're in the 30s, some rain and mountain snow showers. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast showing you temperatures on the up and up as we head into Friday and this upcoming weekend. We'll watch that next storm system here by Sunday. Casey and Steve.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, don't forget, Casey, don't forget, you can check the forecast any